What if I told you that your skin does most of its healing while you sleep? That means your bedtime routine isn't just a ritual, it's your secret weapon for glowing, healthy skin. Ready to wake up with glowing skin? Let's get started. Double cleanse to detoxify your skin. Cleansing your face at night is non-negotiable, but have you heard of double cleansing? Start with an oil-based cleanser like coconut or jojoba oil to break down makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum. Follow up with a gentle, water-based cleanser like raw honey or aloe vera gel to remove dirt and bacteria. This two-step routine ensures your pores are clean and your skin can breathe while you sleep. Clean skin equals healing skin. Use a natural toner to balance pH. Once your skin is cleansed, it's time to restore its natural balance. Witch hazel, rose water, or green tea make excellent natural toners. These ingredients help tighten pores, reduce inflammation, and prepare your skin to absorb moisture more effectively. Lightly dab the toner on your face using a cotton pad or your hands. Think of toner as your skin's reset button before bed. Apply a deep hydrating natural moisturizer. At night, your skin loses moisture faster. That's why applying a rich, natural moisturizer is crucial. Use ingredients like shea butter, aloe vera gel, or cold-pressed oils such as almond, avocado, or rosehip oil. These lock in moisture and promote cell regeneration while you sleep. Hydrated skin fights wrinkles and dryness naturally. For acne-prone skin, aloe vera or tea tree oil is a safer, soothing choice. Elevate your sleep environment. Your skin's health is directly affected by your sleep setup. Use a clean silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent wrinkles or breakouts. Make sure your bedding is washed weekly to avoid bacterial buildup. Keep the room cool and dark to promote deeper sleep cycles, which are when your skin enters full repair mode. Adding a humidifier can also help keep your skin from drying out overnight. Sleep early and manage stress. The magic happens between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when your body produces the most melatonin, a hormone that supports cell repair. Make it a goal to sleep before 11 p.m. and aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Also, reduce screen time an hour before bed and unwind with herbal teas like chamomile or lavender. This not only lowers stress but also improves the quality of your sleep, and your skin will thank you for it. These nighttime habits aren't just about skincare, they're about self-care. When you treat your skin with consistency and love, it responds in the most beautiful way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Sweet dreams and even sweeter skin.